We're live. Hi.
Hi.
We're live. We're out here, Runyon Canyon.
Runyon Canyon.
Hiking. We just finished hiking.
Yeah.
How do you feel like?
Feel pretty good. How about you?
This lighting is pretty nice.
Yeah, lighting's pretty good actually.
We should take a selfie.
Hi.
Hello.
What do you feel about the hike?
Good.
Good. Okay. Good.
Josh.
Tired.
Why are you dying? Hi.
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 Actually, the lighting is really nice.
Yeah.
I'm a boring
Oh.
person.
Want to watch us take a picture?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Oh God, hold it. There you go. Ready? Ah,
So bright.
it's so bright. We love our Samsung Galaxy S8. Thank you.
It's amazing.
Hashtag Samsung Mobile USA. Heck yeah, baby.
Hashtag what? Hashtag call. Hashtag tired.
Hola.
I'm tired.
Hi.
Runyon.
That'd be a cool picture. I'm gonna take it out.
Oh.
Silhouette right there.
Lumber.
It's actually.
We're on a hike
Take it on my phone.
today, and everyone else is. Wait, let me see.
Should I do one standing up?
What are they doing? Hi, Sabby.
Sorry?
How are you feeling today?
I'm tired. Like always,
We should have
but-
done this in the morning, right?
Yes.
Hey, Joshy. Anything to say?
I got you, bro.
The lighting's so good.
Nothing.
Nothing. Yeah, the lighting's so good. Let's just watch Joshy for a while. Okay, we're gonna have a view here for like 10 minutes.
Just me?
Yep, we're gonna stay this way.
Flex his arms just a little bit.
10 minutes.
Oh, the lighting is so good.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that's it. Now the veins are showing.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, Josh.
It's so, the weather's amazing today.
Yeah.
It's like amazing everywhere.
I want to live here forever because the weather is so good.
Yeah, I'm filming, guys. Okay, how do you flip this thing?
Bro, these are fuego.
Hi.
Hey.
We just finished hiking. It's like 4 now. It's it's Valentine's and we're hiking.
Yeah.
Did you guys get some chocolate or flowers?
Yeah, what did you get for
What did
Valentine's?
you guys do? Happy Valentine's
Tell us.
Day. Happy Valentine's Day.
What did you get?
What did you get? Guys are so
Look at
into-
Sabina, look at Sabina.
I love you. I love you.
Look at Sabina.
What is she doing? Wait, guys, look.
She's sleeping.
I need to
oh
flip
my
the
god.
camera. I don't know how to flip the camera.
She's sleeping.
She's sleeping? For real?
Yeah, she's sleeping.
Sabby, what are you doing? Sabina's
she's
sleeping.
dead.
She's dead. She's gone.
Should I like
Oh my god. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. Look at Sabina.
And we got 3 more days to start it.
5 seconds from now.
Your booty.
Where's Bailey? Bailey's probably with the minors somewhere else. Today it's the majors hiking day. You okay?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh wait.
What do you want for dinner? Are you hungry?
I'm not hungry.
Yeah, actually we just did workouts, right?
Yeah.
Shake Shack. You like Shake Shack better?
I want Shake Shack.
Yeah, that's true. I want Panda. Panda would be so nice.
That's my favorite.
There's a cute dog
I love
passing
dogs.
by.
I love dogs.
So it's Valentine's Day. What is everyone doing today? Are you guys having a movie night, like date night, or
I'm not
something
because my
fun?
boyfriend is not here, so yeah.
Hey, and please say you love me. I love you, mate. David. What's your name? Love you guys. Happy Valentine's Day. ¿Cómo estás? Hola, ¿cómo estás? Alto, por favor. I learned something else. There's this super cute dog.
Hi.
Hi.
Dog, yeah.
No, I was gonna show the dog. Actually, I'm really craving some real food. We've been having healthy food, which is great, but I can enjoy a piece of burger right now.
Yeah, me too. I'm
We
missing unhealthy food, but I'm happy because if I would stay on my own at home, I wouldn't eat healthy. So
exactly.
this is a good way to.
Yeah, exactly. So I live alone in Korea. I've been living by myself like 3 years now, more than 3 years, and it's so hard to eat healthy all the time. There's so many dogs here, cute dogs.
Hands, they were holding hands, and they
Oh,
look
really?
so
Happy?
no, so not female, the opposite.
Mm-mm.
So like man muscles.
So I used to live alone, and it's so hard to like have really good meals. So yeah. Hi from Canada. Hi.
Canada.
안녕.
You don't have many fans from Canada.
Yeah, it's so nice to see someone from Canada.
Yeah.
Hi. Hey, what's up, everybody?
What's up?
Hey, and do you miss Korean food? I miss Korean food so much.
too.
Sina was in Korea a few months ago, and actually we're planning on going to LA K-Town and have some Korean barbecue on a free day.
It's so good. Korean
It's
food
so
is the
good,
best.
so
Yeah.
good. Kimchi with Korean barbecue.
What are we doing?
Hi! Today's my birthday. I create arts. Happy birthday! Okay. Let's see what everyone else is doing. What's up? What is Lamar doing?
How are you gonna get that? You go on America's.
Oh, for the picture. Okay.
Win that show. How do we get down?
Hey, your voice is cute. Thank you. You're sweet. Can you? Where's Josh? Josh is here. Hi, Joshy. Hi, Joshy. Hi, everybody. Everyone's tired, but looking gorgeous. Hey, Christian.
Beautiful morning.
We out here.
What's Lamar doing? I think he's taking a picture just over there. 몇 살이에요? 21살입니다. My favorite Noah. Tell Noah his hair is perfect. Your hair is perfect, Noah.
Thank you. I love you.
Tell for Josh. Hey, from Germany. Someone's from Germany. Okay, good talk, Sina. Germany. Hi.
Just tell us a little bit about how this hike was. You're heading back to the house. Okay.
It
Should
was
I?
wonderful. Oh, for that.
Thank you. So, how was the hike?
Wait.
Yeah. That's cute though, do that.
So, how was the hike?
I think the hike was really well. We are all really tired but excited, full of energy, and we are heading back to our house to get some great food. By the way, we are now united. 大家好，我们是
Give the mic to someone. Grab it.
How was the hike?
How was the hike today? How was the hike? Solidly solid.
I'm tired.
I'm tired.
I would have gone to sleep and
Okay. How was the hike?
It was good, and we danced, and we did a workout. Yeah, it was perfect.
Pass the mic to Josh.
It was good.
So the hike was.
Energy.
The hike was great. It was great. That's it.
What are we doing now?
What are we doing now?
Oh, is it live?
Now, we're heading back to the house.
Everyone's doing a little video right now. What part of Korea are you from, Haeyoon? I'm from Daejeon. My hometown is Daejeon, but I'm living in Seoul by myself.